In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off silent mode on your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. These iPhones don't have the switch on the side over here where you can simply activate silent mode quickly, but don't worry, there's many different ways on how to do this, and you can even assign this button right over here to be your silence mode shortcut. I'll show you all the options. So the easiest way to turn silent mode on and off is to drag down from the top right corner like that, and then you see there is a bell. This is for silent mode. So if you click on it, you're gonna have the bell but with a small bar, and it will become red. This means that it's in silent mode, it's activated. To deactivate it, simply tap it once. If you don't see this small bell, don't worry, keep press anywhere where there's no icons like this, and you'll be able to add the bell icon by pressing add a control. Now go down and it should be somewhere over here, silent mode. So by clicking on it, you'll be able to add it, and you can even make this super big. It will take like 4 space, and it's easier to activate and deactivate. It will be a very big button every time you open Control Center. Now, how do you assign this button to be silent mode? We need to open Settings. Then go down and select Action Button. Right now, this button is set to be the flashlight button. But if we scroll left and right, we can select Silent Mode, go back, and now it's silent mode. You can't simply press on it once and activate silence mode. You need to press it during half of a second. And you see, silent mode is activated. If you press again, now it's ring. You're gonna hear the ring when somebody calls you. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.